Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to manage your Vimeo uploads so that they only use Wi-Fi, saving your mobile data. This video is perfect for anyone who wants to upload videos safely without worrying about consuming their cellular data. First, open the Vimeo app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon at top right. Next, look for the Settings menu and tap on Data Usage. Then, in the Data Usage section, find the Upload Only via Wi-Fi option. Toggle it on to ensure that any video uploads will only occur when your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. This prevents the app from using your mobile data and helps avoid unexpected charges. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips.